Hello friends, this is my first video on my channel Divine Tea with Luna. Uh, I've been getting the call for doing tarot online for a really long time now, and let's just hop into today's reading. So today's reading is how and where are you in your love life? How are you feeling in your love life and what is going on in your love life? Uh, So that's the reading. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Everything would be given in the description box, the timestamps. And if you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. So we'll begin with the first. We'll begin with the first pile. Okay. So those who chose this clear, sort of clear, not really. It's kind of semi-clear stone. What's going on in your love life? Okay. Pile 1. Hi Timmy. Yeah, she's one of my soulmates. Coming back to the reading. What I do feel what I do feel for the reading is that your love life is not at the right is not going the best right now, honestly. And I also feel you're very defensive about it. Uh, Let me see if those of who you are in a relationship, definitely things are not going okay. You do not know which place or which direction you want to go to, whether you want to go ahead with the relationship or you want to break it off, because I see a lot of struggle going on right now, because it's both of them are swords, 7 of swords and 9 of swords. And I feel either of you or both of you are trying to be like, who's right? Who's right? You guys are fighting. You guys are fighting with no end in sight. And just want to pull some, if any other card that falls out. Let's see. You're wanting to have it all and to be it all, but by yourself. This can be either of you. This can be you or your partner who wants the entire world according to him or herself, who wants everything to go either his way or her way. I see there's a lack of compromise. For the suggestion cards that I see, the card that you got is Lost and Found. It says what was lost is about to be found thanks to the lost and found fairy. Sometimes she can help us find things we never even realized were lost. This oracle card is pointing towards the fact that you need to focus on trying to revive the relationship and see where over the time you've gone not wrong, but where you have gone astray. uh, Something is lost in the connection that you guys have. It can be, this is a free space, so all pro for same sex relationships. You guys need to understand where your partner is coming from and where you are coming from. You guys need to go back and understand where was the part where you stopped being uh, stopped being there for each other. The other advice card that I got from the Witch Oracle deck is plant the seeds. This, of course, goes on, and it's completely linked with the reading. It goes on to say that you need to plant seeds of love again. You need to, if you want to be in this relationship and stick with this relationship, it's pertinent that you understand that you have to again start over. You have to go back in time and see where you made mistakes and start over from there. And you got to plant seeds, which also comes with the message that things are not going to be okay like in a blink. No, it's going to take some time. So be patient with it. Okay, that's it for your cards. Let's move on to the next pile. Okay, the next pile. This white stone. These are not crystals, these are stones that I found, which I find very beautiful nonetheless. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles. Guys, what's going on with this deck? These are such lovely cards. Oh. Okay, I see you guys. Your relationship is really going well. Like, there is no other way I can put it into. You got Queen of Cups, someone who's nurturing and giving. Queen of Swords, she's, oh my god, I got no words because I just feel this really good energy from the from the cards. Queen of Swords, she's very, very uh she's ambitious. She thinks things through, and it's just so lovely. And you also got King of Pentacles, so on all three ways, not all but three things, like mentally, emotionally and materialistically, your relationship is booming right now. And as usual, this good time in your relationship, it's actually transforming you right now. Okay, let me just read it out. The fairy tells you to surrender to the transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation, the best is yet to come. I don't know what's better than this. But then, yes, uh, this is just amazing. I have not seen such good cards line up this way in a really long time. Also, the other card is learn from life. I'm getting the intuition that things are going good for you, and you guys need to be grateful for it. You guys need to savor it. You guys need to uh, be generous with the love that you have for each other, and pour it out into the world. uh, yes, you guys, you've got really, really good cards. I mean, I just don't know what to say. You guys, come on. You got. And let's see what the next pile has. This is such a nice card. I don't have anything to say. It is so nice. The third pile who chose this blue stone. Your cards are Six of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Moderation, meditation for peace and serenity. I'm those of you who are in a relationship, I want to tell you that this you guys should be generous with your materialistic wealth. You guys should look after your friends and family together, as a couple, as a unit. In a relationship, I do see you guys have material stability right now, and I also see rising passion because you got Queen of Wands. And let me tell you what happens when you get a fire card. It's all gonna get hot and heavy in the bedroom. But you are also being asked to be mindful of this relationship at this moment. You need to be, you should not take this for granted. You should be grateful. And there's something called, completely diving deep and flowing. Uh, though that's really going to happen because you got the Queen of Wands. um, you just need to be a little bit mindful, and actually be present in the now, because you also got meditation for peace and serenity. So no wonder I feel this is a couple which is more stable, and it's kind of rekindling the, you guys are in the phase of rekindling your romance. I feel that's why there is a heavy focus on others also apart from your relationship. mm, yeah, you guys, I think yours is kind of a mature love, and yeah, be in the moment, be right now with together, with each other. Sorry, you need to be in the moment together right now, and be mindful of each other, of what you're feeling, and just be grateful to the universe that you've got something like this. Thank you.